इस महाबहस में आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। हमारा उद्देश्य किसी की भावनाओं को आहत करना नहीं है, सिर्फ एक प्लेटफॉर्म मुहैया कराना है इस महाबहस के लिए। हमारे साथ खास मेहमान जुड़े हुए हैं। सनल के पास जाएंगे। सनल, जब आप पहुंचे वहां पर, ऑब्जर्वेशन किया, आपको क्या क्या मिला?
सबसे पहले मैंने देखा अभी एक बूंद भी पानी नहीं आ रहा था, और दूसरा वहां जब आ गया, ये तो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग में भी है, एक औरत मेरे पास तो ये देखे एक कागज देके गया जिसमें एक पिक्चर में मिरेकल बहुत बड़ा लिखा है और एक बूंद पानी आने की एक पिक्चर है। और इस पिक्चर में एक चीज मैंने देखा है, इधर पूरा तो ये तो पेंटिंग तो बिल्कुल ही आई मीन डैमेज पेंटिंग। अभी आज का दिन में मैं वहां का तो जो पिक्चर किया है इसमें तो पेंटिंग थोड़ा ठीक किया है। ये तो 3-4 दिन में तो ये पूरा मेकअप किया पूरा। और इसमें मैं एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज देखा, ये तो इसमें फोकस कर दीजिए, इसके पीछे एक नाला था। नाला मेरे हाथ से मैंने खुला, गंदा पानी था इसके नीचे। और एक दूसरा और चीज मैंने देखा,
और सनल जी वो नाला जो था
ये भी नाला है।
बोल दिया यू डिग द नाला एंड यू सी, यू नेवर सेड, यू सेड आई एम सैटिस्फाइड।
और इसके पीछे
नाउ यू आर मेकिंग अ क्लेम्स ऑन टू दिस।
Your reporter, Mr. Ajit, was there.
We told you to dig up.
Ajit
There
we
is
are
nothing.
breaking the place and showing him. He said, I don't want it broken. I don't want to do any more investigation. He should have taken the challenge on the spot. He has no business making comments now. Ask your reporter who was on the spot over there.
आज भी कोई जाके इसका पीछे देखो, अभी भी एक खुला नाला वहाँ है, उससे कैपिलरी एक्शन से ऊपर पानी आ रहा है।
झूठ बोलने के लिए एक शर्म भी आनी चाहिए।
Please call your reporter who was on the spot.
झूठ बोलने के लिए शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको।
We will break it and show you.
If it was capillary action, it can't come out from one place only. It should come out from all the places.
Yes. ये आप बहुत सही किया, आप बहुत सही किया। ये पिक्चर दिखाइए एक मिनट, जस्ट शो दिस पिक्चर। ये पिक्चर देखिए, आप बहुत सही किया। उसी इसका पीछे एक दीवार है, दीवार में देखो कैपिलरी एक्शन से कैसे पानी आ गया है। ये देखो, ये भी वहां तो ऊपर से कोई सोर्स नहीं है, नीचे से पानी ऊपर जा रहा था। ये हर जगह में है, उस वॉल में हर जगह में ये इसका ये जिस जगह में जीसस का जो स्टैच्यू था, इसके पीछे अंदर का ये वॉल।
देयर इज नो कनेक्शन विद द स्टैच्यू एट ऑल। सनल जी, यू कंफर्म इट टू मी।
जुड़ चुके हैं इरला से, उनके पास चलते हैं। सैवियो, कहिए आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
नाउ यू आर चेंजिंग द थिंग।
हेलो
जी।
हाँ जी, मुझे ये कहना है कि ये फोटोग्राफ वगैरह बता रहे हैं, ये साइंटिफिक रीजन बता रहे हैं अपना जो स्टेटमेंट डिफेंड करने के लिए है वो फोटो, ये ही फोटो। हाँ, इसमें जो फोटो है वो किला ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सनल जी आप
मैं दिखा दूंगा। ये तो ये देखो, 1 second, I'll show you the picture once again.
No, he's not going to answer because he hasn't got an answer.
No, it's very clear. It has actually not only at the feet, इसका चेस्ट में भी एक नेल है और दोनों हाथ में भी है। और जिस जगह में छेद है, कील से छेद है, वह सब जगह से आने के लिए तो तरीका है। ऊपर देखो, ऊपर भी तो हाथ से भी है, चेस्ट पे भी है कील। और ये तो अभी तो वहां तो एक बूंद भी पानी नहीं आ रहा है, एक बूंद भी पानी नहीं आ रहा है। वहां तो जो पहले कुछ पानी भरा हुआ है, इसमें डाइल्यूट करके ज्यादा पानी है। अब पानी पूरा तो मिरेकल है, तो चमत्कार है। तो जब मैं आएगा इसका पहले तो पानी कैसे बंद हो गया?
और सनल जी एक मिनट, ये मुल्क हम लोगों ने 2003 में वहां पर लगी हुई है, और 2003 के बाद ये पहली बार जो ऐसा हुआ है। तो आपकी ये राय है, आप इसीलिए और 5 आदमी लोगों को भी यहाँ पर वहां पर बुला के दिखाई देंगे, तो उसमें से इसका सिद्धांत और ऐसा सिद्ध होगा कि सनल जी जो कह रहे उसको, उसके बुद्धिमत्ता को कुछ मेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स है और आप सही नहीं बता रहे हैं। इसीलिए आपको हम लोग बोला क्या यू कैन डिग अप देयर, you said no, I'm satisfied, I'm content with it, it is a satisfactory thing and I don't
because I've already seen the drain, ये गंदा पानी ऊपर कैपिलरी एक्शन से आ रहा है, तो सब लोग सही रहता, गलत है।
We have not come here today to discuss whether it is a miracle, whether it is not a miracle.
But I came to establish that this is not a miracle.
The email that the conversation that went to the channel was that you are to explain why you attacked the priest when it was a issue of a cross.
That is your fantasy. That is your fantasy. That's not why I came here. I came to expose this miracle. I came to expose this miracle.
For such kind of allegations,
we have challenged you to prove that where you said about the Pope. We have challenged you to prove where you spoke about the priest.
I repeat,
You have to take back your sentences and apologize.
एक्सोर्सिज्म के लिए एक चार्ज एक आदमी के लिए है। एक्सोर्सिज्म अभी भी अप्रूव्ड है वतिकान में। ये भूतों को बहाने के आप तो नेट पे जाइए, इसका सारे
Where is your source? Where is your source? Please give us the name.
You just go to.
I have a paper here.
Yes.
Where the Vatican dismisses
you go to the website.
Saying the Pope had no idea that there was exorcism.
You are not the representative of the Pope. Let
We are not
the Archbishop
representatives of the
here in
Pope,
Delhi.
neither are you the representative.
See, I
Neither
said
are you a
the representative is
to
the
say anything.
Archbishop of Mumbai. I challenge the Archbishop to challenge this thing and go to a court of law against me if you have the
What
guts.
are your
if you have
credibilities
backbone.
to challenge the Archbishop?
We will definitely
The
go.
lawyers are here, challenge
Since you
them.
have, since you
You
have,
have the guts.
since you are
Because
challenging
what
us,
जो
we
मैंने
will
कहा था,
definitely go
इसके
to a
बारे में
court.
मेरे
We will
पास
definitely
evidence
make
है.
sure that you are given proper treatment for the next 10 days.
I have clear evidences about what I said. I can stand at any court of
You
law.
have insulted my religion. You have no right to talk about.
ये तो इंसल्ट है तो
You have no
इंसल्टिंग का
right to
कारण
talk about
आपका
my
पोप है,
religious
आपका
beliefs.
वतिकान
You
का
have
सिस्टम
no
है.
right-
One
you have
minute.
no right to talk
When
that
the
Pope,
issue
Pope
is-
is against science.
Exorcism,
You have no
Pope-
right to talk that the Pope and the Church is against science.
Justice against science, ये तो सबको जानता है. ये तो
Institute set up of science by the
सिर्फ
Church.
दो एग्जाम्पल मैं
What
बता
right
रहा
have you got to
हूँ.
it?
गैलीलियो गैलीली.
Read the reply given.
गैलीलियो
read the reply and the
गैलीली.
statement
गैलीलियो गैलीली
given
को
by the
कैसे
bishop.
कैसे आपका चर्च
Read
तो
the
क्या कर दिया?
statement given by the bishop. He
Okay.
has contradicted everything you have said. Please.
So let him go to a court of law. I can explain. I can
No,
bring him in the witness
question
box
here
and I can
is
ask
not
him all these
about
questions.
medical-
We are going to let
You
the law
have
take
no
its course.
business
We are
to
going to let
speak.
the law take its
I
course
have.
now.
You
This
have
is
no
my.
business
This
to
is
be
my
delegating
business
on
as an
people.
Indian citizen.
It was a question.
Indian
of a-
भारतीय एक
prepared
नागरिक
for
का
FIR
एक
now?
धर्म है.
Are you prepared to have an FIR now? Mr. Sanal, for making this prerogative statement, you have to
also
be
said-
arrested
You have
immediately.
also said that the
No.
church is exploiting to make money.
मैं बहुत खुश
For
हूँ
your
ये सब देखे.
information, you may have
आपका
been
ये
educated
हल्ला
in
बोल
a
देखे मैं तो बहुत
Christian or
खुश हूँ.
Catholic school.
कहेंगे
And
ये
you
तो
got no
आपका
shame to make
चमत्कार
this statement.
आप
तोड़
सभी को
किया.
यहाँ पर रोकना चाहेंगे. हमारे साथ मुंबई के बिशप जुड़ चुके हैं, उनके पास चलते हैं. बिशप, आपका इस पूरे मामले पर क्या कहना है? क्या आप तक हमारी आवाज पहुंच रही है बिशप?
Yes.
जी,
Yeah.
आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया है इस पूरे मसले पर?
Yeah.
बिशप, हम आपसे जानना चाहते हैं आपका क्या रिएक्शन है इस पूरे मामले पर?
Yeah. Can I speak in? I'll speak in English, right? The Delhi man Snail can speak and hold any opinion he likes about whether the dripping has natural causes. Quite possibly, yes, it might have natural causes.
चमत्कार खत्म हो गया.
It is possible, it is natural. The church has not said it is a miracle. We will never say it's a miracle unless we investigate it very carefully, scientifically. Surely we'll never say it's a miracle until that happens. So he can hold that it is natural, dripping water. What we object to is to say that this has been created by the priests to make money. This cross is in a compound which does not belong to the priests, and there's been no collection of money. This is a false charge against the priests, that we have made this to make money, much less to build churches with that. He should withdraw that statement. That is one.
Can I answer that thing? Can I answer that
जी,
position?
Sanal.
Answer it.
So very clearly, since he spoke in English, I would like to explain it very clearly. In hundreds of places where churches are there, when people are less number of people are visiting, in Kattachira in Kerala, from a flex board, you have produced, weeping, blood from that thing. And in 2000, in the same church, there is a claim of miracle. And इसका 3-4 साल पहले तो माहिम में एक चर्च में तो ऐसा क्लेम हो गया था. क्यों अलग अलग जगह में एक क्लेम आता है और 3-4 दिन में ये चमत्कार खत्म होता है? इसका कारण कुछ और है. चमत्कार एक बेसिक बिलीफ सिस्टम है क्रिश्चियनिटी में.
Talking about Mahim, the Vatican has already said it's not a miracle.
I will speak.
बोला है कि वो चमत्कार नहीं है. मैं खुद महिम में रहता हूँ. चर्च ने ये क्लियर कट बोला है कि वो मिरेकल नहीं है.
I
Get your
never said,
information
hold on,
correct.
hold on.
जी.
I said
On
we
the
would
last
have,
जी,
hold on.
बिशप एग्नेलो, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
Yeah, we would have to investigate if it is a miracle. I am not saying it is a miracle. Far from it. The church would investigate very carefully. We don't jump to conclusions like you jump. You have to investigate a thing carefully. You are a member of an association which should not make irresponsible statements. To think that we have created this
Mr.
to
Bishop,
make
Mr.
money.
Bishop, listen 1 minute.
Let me finish. If it happens in other places, might be. I'm not trying to defend other places. But you have made a specific charge about this cross dripping that we have created it to make money. This you have to withdraw. This particular case, I would have to investigate other cases. I can say you are making money every day and robbing people. I can't. You will say, where is the proof? So I'm not making a charge against you. You have to withdraw this. Secondly, to make
I
a
stand by
statement,
my statement.
to make a statement that the church is against science, you are totally ignorant. Read a bit before you make such a statement. You are a member of an association which should make responsible statements. You are making such irresponsible.
Can I respond to what you said?
Yes.
Yeah. So two things. Number one,
Yeah.
as an Indian citizen, I have a fundamental duty. I am sure that you must be knowing that thing, to have scientific temperament, critical inquiry,
You don't
spirit of
have a
inquiry, and all.
scientific
And number
temperament
one,
at all.
listen, one minute, please. So therefore, any kind of miracle which does not stand to common sense and reasoning, our common intelligence,
Yeah.
every Indian citizen has the right to question that thing, verify that thing, and any kind of extraordinary claims needs extraordinary evidence. And without that, when pictures like this are distributed, I've seen there, in front of this this particular statue there, where, there have been special prayers going on, and priests have been coming to me and talking that ये चमत्कार था, ये तो गलत है, ये गलत संदेश जा रहा है, और हर जगह में, ये सिर्फ ये जगह का बात नहीं।
We were all there. That is a lie.
No priest approached you.
TV9, please put Ajit on the line and
give him a
clarify
chance.
this.
We have documentary evidence about what you
कोई
said.
भी priest आपके पास नहीं आया।
He's lying
कोई
on
भी
the
priest
channel.
आपके पास आके ये नहीं बोला कि ये चमत्कार है। ये आपका खुद का imagination है।
We have also recorded it on the
Number one,
camera.
coming to number two,
finish.
I'm very happy, the claim of the miracle has been withdrawn and the call claim has been taken away the moment
Nobody
the
claimed it a
investigation
miracle.
begins.
Nobody
Number two,
claimed it a miracle.
number two,
Excuse me.
I made-
Nobody claimed it a
This meeting has
miracle.
been
I
called
made a
for you to
specific
call back your
charge.
statements and issue
I
an
made a specific
unconditional
charge.
apology to the
If the
Catholics of
Archbishop
Mumbai.
Mr.
Bishop-
Sanal,
Since
on
you
the
have
The
5th,
bishop wants
made
to answer me.
allegation-
I don't want his disciples
Mr.
to answer.
Sanal,
Let the
on the
bishop
5th,
answer.
I myself
My
came
question is to
online
the
and I
bishop,
spoke
not
to you.
not to his
And I
disciples.
said that nobody has claimed it. On the 5th, I have the CD with me. Don't make up stories.
Now I have another question to the bishop. Would you deny?
You are saying, Mr. Bishop.
You have a right.
Don't go.
in-
सनल
in
जी,
this
बिशप
country
हमारे
you
साथ
have-
फोन लाइन पर बने हुए हैं, आप पूछ सकते हैं
Yes,
उनका
my
सवाल।
question. If you can stop the other people, I would like to ask a straight question to the bishop.
जी जी सनल
Yeah,
पूछिए।
my question. I cannot answer in a shouting match.
बिशप जी
I
आपसे
welcome
कुछ-
that, yeah, and I would like your archbishop to come to the witness box and answer my questions.
जी सनल जी आप पूछिए।
Yeah, my question is very simple. इस लोग तो बात करने के लिए नहीं देगा, फिर भी आपका बिशप को एक कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ. Exorcism, if it is accepted by Vatican or not, can you explain me?
That also, I will answer that also.
Yeah,
I will answer
exorcism.
that. But let me first finish. You said every Indian citizen has the right to has a scientific temperament,
Yes.
and I have very much myself a scientific temperament. That's why I don't accept that. I'm much more scientific than you claim to be. I would have to investigate it. You have jumped to a conclusion without investigating. You have a right to doubt, but don't make claims. I have not made any claims. Officially, we have never made a claim about that, about the dripping cross. I personally think there should be a natural cause. I would investigate and see that. So I'm much more careful, and scientist is much more careful when he speaks. Doesn't open his mouth and say something.
Your followers should understand what you say.
A scientist is much more careful before he speaks. You don't have a scientific mind at all. You are jumping and speaking
Well,
before
when you see from the
investigate.
biblical angle, not.
Investigate it before you speak. I'm saying I don't think it's a miracle, but I would investigate if I have got to make a statement. You have
I'm
made a
very
statement.
happy the miracle is taken away. Now come
No,
to the
no miracle.
exorcism.
The
Exorcism.
church, let me finish. The church never claimed it to be a miracle. You have claimed it to be a miracle, and I'm trying to expound it. We have never officially said it's a miracle. Some people might say it, but no one ever said that it is a miracle officially.
Very good. I would like to appreciate you for this thing.
Actually,
Good.
and therefore I can see how ignorant you are. Let us come to the point of science, what you speak of science. There is a Pontifical Academy of Science made up of eminent scientists from 80 countries. The church is not an ignorant place. Sometimes you think we are ignorant. See the list of scientists. Galileo was one, but Galileo was a Catholic. He was one example. There are about 100...
And what punishment did you give to Galileo?
One
He
more.
was in
I'm
prison.
coming.
And what
So,
punishment you have
let
given
us
to
see.
Bruno?
But there are 100...
He was on stake.
Yeah, there are 100 other Copernicus. the discoverer of the laws of genetics was a Catholic, was a monk.
And now you defend Galileo. That's interesting.
Mendel.
That's people should laugh about it. Galileo, what was the punishment the Pope gave to Galileo? Do you know it? He was in prison.
Why? Did you ever read up? Why? Why did he say that? Have you ever read up?
And you have burnt Bruno alive because you could not accept the scientific facts that he spoke about.
Don't accept what? I can't hear you. What did he say?
I said, the best two examples of the so-called scientific approach is the burning of Bruno and the imprisonment of Galileo Galilei.
Okay, let me finish. Have you ever examined Galileo's case? You know why was he in prison? Why?
Of course, you can make a lot, because
Why?
he
Go and look up, read up a bit more before you open your mouth, man.
why did your Pope apologize for this mistake?
Very good. We made a mistake, surely,
Yeah.
and we are able to apologize.
Yes, yes.
But I can
So when
show
you apologize,
100
that
others,
was a
and
mistake.
I wish you would apologize same way for making a mistake.
If I
just
find
now.
something what I said
I
wrong,
wish you
I would
would say
apologize.
sorry,
I
I'm sorry, I
find
made a
what I
false
say is
charge.
correct, and I find that exorcism being defended and people like Galileo are put in jail and people
your
like
mind-
Bruno being burnt are the mistakes of the church, and that history has told you what is a mistake, and you have apologized and apologized.
Rubbish. You just don't tell
And
me
the
all the
crimes that
stories.
you have done during the Second World War, you have apologized.
Which crime? Which crime have we done?
Oh, for example, to get the Lateran Treaty, you have blessed Mussolini. Was that a good idea?
Just repeat that again. What crime have I done in the Second World War? What crime have I done?
The Vatican, the small little city-state, you got with Lateran Treaty.
And that's, yeah.
Yes.
So that's the crime.
And Mussolini was the ruler of Italy at that time.
Yeah, yeah.
Did your Pope bless Mussolini? Do you
Blessed, for
Yes.
what he blessed him for? You ever looked up? Because we arrived at
Why
an agreement.
Mussolini was blessed? Why
Yes,
Hitler was blessed? And why what?
Who was blessed? Just repeat again. You are speaking too
I
fast.
said,
Huh?
why Hitler was blessed?
Hitler, when was Hitler blessed? The Pope spoke.
And why Mussolini
Go
was
and
blessed?
look up.
Was it
When
not?
was Hitler blessed? Show me when. You made a statement just now which is totally false. When
The
Hitler was
pictures,
rising
the
in power-
pictures are not available on the internet. I've written articles. You can file a case if it's wrong.
Send me. I'll be very happy to examine. And
Go
I'll send
to
you-
go
and
to
I'll send you-
rationalistinternational.net. You are welcome to see it, and if it's a
And-
mistake,
and
you
you
can
can
file a
send me
case.
that, and I will send you 100
I'll repeat it
opposites.
once again.
You-
Go to rationalistinternational.net. I've signed an article myself with documents on that thing.
And you
Answer
ask
it.
my people for my email
Yes.
ID, and I will give you 100 to show that all these lies published by y'all. Y'all are obviously.
And Joseph McCabe was a Jesuit priest. If you know history, Joseph McCabe was a Jesuit priest, has written a wonderful book, The
Yeah,
Mussolini and the Pope. I would like you to read that book.
Yeah, I've read it.
I'm
already.
greatly impressed
I've
by
read
that
it.
book,
I
how the
have-
unholy alliance of Mussolini and Pope has
Yeah.
damaged the entire Europe.
I have read it. I have read that, and I've read much more than that. And I know church history much better than you do. Don't think
Well, you don't understand the critics' intelligence. You want to defend your belief system, of course, I understand.
Yeah.
But Mussolini is a dark mark in the history of Catholic Church.
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all.
Still you defend him. Still you defend the massacre.
I
Still
deny
you
that. I
defend
deny that he
Nazism.
is a dark that he was that he did. There are things that Mussolini did which might be right. You might be a dark spot in the country. There are things which you have done may be wrong. Don't think that you are the only saint, man. Don't come out with that
I
idea.
quote the book Mussolini and the Pope, written by Joseph
And
McCabe,
I've
was a
read it,
Jesuit
and
priest
I've
for
read
so
that
many
book,
years.
and I've read it.
जी ये महाबहस रहेगी जारी, ये पूरी महाबहस TV9 पर जारी रहेगी, लेकिन फिलहाल वक्त हो चला एक छोटे से ब्रेक का। TV9 पर ये महाबहस जारी है। एक बार फिर से हम अपने तमाम पैनलिस्ट और दर्शकों से ये कहना चाहते हैं कि हमारा उद्देश्य किसी की भावनाओं को आहत करना नहीं, किसी की धार्मिक भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंचाना नहीं। सिर्फ ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां आप सभी अपने अपने तर्क रख सकते हैं। हमारे साथ मुंबई के बिशप जुड़े हुए हैं, हमारे साथ सनल है। सनल, आप तमाम बातचीत कर रहे थे मुंबई के बिशप से, तमाम तर्क रख रहे थे उनके सामने, वो हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पर मौजूद है। क्या कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आप?
The next question I would like to ask is, if you go to my Facebook page, sanal.idamarugu, there is an article quoted where exorcism being done with the blessings of Vatican. Exorcism मतलब तो भूतों का भगाना का काम। या तो will you defend that thing?
सनल, आप सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, बिशप जुड़े हुए हैं हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पर।
Would you please explain the exorcism done by the church?
None of us. I have not seen any possession. I have not seen.
Well,
But
I welcome you to just search internet and you can get at least 100 articles about that thing.
You have not
with
heard what I
photographs.
said. I have not heard what I have not seen myself any possession by the devil.
Well, that's
Let
very
me
progressive
finish,
position
let me
that you take, but you
finish.
define.
Give me a chance to finish.
Thereby, you take the position away from the Pope who has been blessing
Right,
exorcism.
Let me
Pope
finish.
John Paul II has blessed exorcism.
Yeah, let me finish. I myself have not seen any case of possession. But I cannot say that there is no such thing as possession because I have not seen. There could be cases of possession, and that is what exorcism deals. It is.
But
I
possessed
can
by what?
let me finish. You have not seen also, but it doesn't mean that your experience is unlimited. Yours is a limited experience as mine is a limited one. I have never seen a case of possession as yet. But people report that there are such cases and therefore they have a right of exorcism for that. If I have not experienced it, it does not mean it doesn't exist. I have not seen the star Venus, but I know that scientists have seen it, and therefore I accept their word. I have not seen, you have not seen the Mars with your eye, but people will tell, but the scientists tell you there are. So I accept what if there are people who say that there are cases.
Now I would like to just explain one position.
Yeah.
I have seen a lot of claims of possession along with my friends psychiatrists who cooperate with the rationalist movement.
Yeah.
And most of these cases are split personality or schizophrenia, and which simply explains by the our education about psychiatry. And the whole thing is that still ancient times, even epilepsy was taught as possession, and even split personality is taught as possession. But when exorcism is being defended and promoted by Vatican, the whole idea, even take the Bible, even Jesus is asking spirits to go away from people. So these kind of stories basically come from a primitive age thought, and we have to leave it back.
Yeah. Can I answer? Now, have you finished? You tell me when you finish, then I'll answer. Finish, no?
Yeah.
Or I'll answer. Surely, many cases which I've seen myself, many of the cases as a priest I've dealt myself of people who claim that they are possessed are surely psychological cases. I agree with you fully. And therefore, we should be slow to attribute anything to the devil. We should look for a psychological explanation. I am fully in agreement with that. But, let me finish. Therefore, but it does not mean, even if 99 cases which I've seen with my own eyes are psychological, it does not mean that there cannot be a case of possession. I have not come across one, but I realize my experience is limited. I don't say mine is unlimited experience. There could be a case of someone who says, yes, I have encountered real possession. And how do you claim that you have experienced everything? I have not seen everything. So I can say I accept if someone
Small
else...
interruption. Possession by what? What is being possessed on it? Can you just tell me what it is?
From one of your friends that the statue
Where is the
was of
bishop?
plaster of
Only his
Paris.
disciples are speaking. Bishop has gone over.
No, that
Look at you convinces that we are possessed.
why don't you that you had made a claim that the
बिशप हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पर जुड़े हुए हैं, कुछ चंद सवाल, आखिरी चंद सवाल आपसे करना चाहते हैं। जी बिशप कहिए।
It appears that your head has a hole.
They don't even allow the bishop
क्या
to
आप तक
speak.
हमारी आवाज पहुंच रही है? Please carry on.
We ask you to apologize or you will be arrested.
Yeah.
I would welcome you to move that thing. I would like your bishops to to be tried in the court.
No, no.
Okay.
We are going to why should the bishop
हमारे साथ बिशप भी जुड़े हुए हैं फोन लाइन पर। बिशप
welcome, please, please.
सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं सनल आपसे।
Yeah, please.
जी बिशप कहिए।
Let me finish. I repeat again, we are not claiming that dripping cross is a miracle. We are not claiming
Good.
that. We
Very
are,
good, wonderful,
let me
sir.
finish. But what we are saying is that you should apologize for the wrong statements you have attributed to the priests in that document. You have attributed 3 wrong statements to us, which I think you should apologize. One is that from this cross we are trying to...
There's a quick answer for you. There's a quick answer for you.
Yeah.
I don't apologize, and I stand
Okay,
by
therefore,
every single word I
You are
said.
free not to, but you see my position. I'm not claiming that is a miracle. I'm only saying these. You are free to do what you want, but I'm free also to state that your assertions are wrong. That we believe in idol worship, false. which the church never believes in idol worship, in worshipping images. Secondly, that we have tried to create that the church is against science. Totally wrong. The church is fully for science. You are ignorant on this matter. Read a bit of church history. Send me your email, and I will send you the material you require to read and be enlightened.
I think that's, you seem to be a little more civilized than your disciples, but all the same, when you put a candle burning in front of a statue, what does it mean? It's not a worship?
जी सनल आपसे जवाब लेंगे बिशप के तमाम सवालों का। बिशप आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया बिशप एग्नेलो हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए। हमारे साथ हमारे एक दर्शक जुड़ी हुई हैं मारिया, पूरा का पूरा महाराष्ट्र टीवी 9 पर इस बहस को देख रहा है। मारिया, क्या कहना चाहती हैं आप? जी कहिए।
I am calling in from Irla village.
जी।
And I have visited that place. On the photograph, there is no white background. There is no miracle at all written on any of the photographs. The gentleman from Delhi is lying.
Can you just focus on this thing? This was given to me in front of a video camera. He will just focus it.
How do we know that it was given to you? You could have brought it from Delhi and is claiming now.
When it was given to me, this was video recorded.
How do we know that it was
this was
given to
video
you?
recorded, and I. So if this is not given to me, you can challenge it anywhere. Anyway, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Your own bishop has withdrawn from the miracle. Now you have no position to defend your miracle.
You didn't come here because of a miracle. You came
I
here
came
because
to
you were
expose
called.
this miracle. I came to educate people about superstition.
To come and make sure that what statements you are making are correct.
Now, what I say is very clear. The fundamental issue is. Listen, the fundamental issue is your bishop has gone away from the miracle claim, then there is no point for you to stick to the miracle claim. Number two, why the water has come is very clearly scientifically explained. इसका कारण सबको जानता है, नीचे गंदा पानी है, गंदा नाला से जो पानी कैपिलरी एक्शन से ऊपर से जाता है वो आ रहा था, इसके अलावा इसमें कुछ नहीं, एक चमत्कार बिल्कुल एक बकवास था।
You have insulted the religious feelings of the Christian community. Let me assure you that we will make sure that FIRs are lodged against you in all the police stations of Mumbai.
You are welcome to do that thing. I understand that you cannot defend your position and you go to legal situations.
Have never said it is a miracle.
You are afraid to face criticism. You are afraid to face questioning. You are afraid to face critical inquiry. Therefore, you have to go for mobocracy. You have to go for all these funny things. That is why witches were burnt in Europe. That is why you have killed a lot of people in Europe. That is why you have put people on stage. This is the wrong approach of the church. That's why we had dark ages in Europe. Don't try to bring dark ages in India.